Welcome to an AuctionNet training video. In this video, we'll walk through accepting your invitation and adding your first items. Okay, if you're looking at your email, you see an email similar to that. You can click the Accept Invite button. Your invites are only good for 72 hours. If for some reason the button doesn't work, you can use the link at the bottom of the email. You'll be required to complete your first name, last name, mailing address, city, state, zip. You'll then enter your phone number, and you have the option to turn on the ability to receive text message notifications. Please pick a secure password and enter it in both boxes, and then once it is all set, you can set your password and you are logged in. See the welcome banner there? Okay. As you can see, there's no donations created yet. You can click the Add button to create a new donation. You'll type in the name of the donation. This is the short name that'll be listed. You can see that we do title case recommendations for donation name. In the description, we recommend sentence casing. Here you can see that made a little typo there on purpose to show that your spell checking tools in your browser should work for you. You can make that correction, and then again you can use the suggestion button below to change the casing of your sentences so everything is consistent. That is the goal of the suggestion box, so that from item to item and person to person you have consistent capitalization. Pick a category, enter a fair market value. If the item is from an anonymous donor, you can check that and you do not have to choose one. If not, search for a donor. Do note that the person needs to be a supporter before they can be added. You can also add multiple donors and split the fair market value between those people. You can click Add to add the item, go back to the list, or Add a New, which takes you to add another donation item. Here again, you can see the suggestions for title case on donation names and sentence case on donation descriptions. Again, I'm going to choose a category and a fair market value. And this time we're going to make an anonymous donation, and we can click Add to add it and go back to the list. And now you can see the two items listed. Get the notification at the top that's been done. Oh, we can see that we missed the donation name, so we can edit that and save that and be right back to our list of donations. Once you've made a few donation entries, you will want to go to Donations, Presale Tags, and as you can see, as we added those donations, they were added to the queue to be printed. So we're just going to remove all those from the queue just to show you how you can manually add items into the queue if they aren't there already. Go click Print All, and a PDF of the tags will be generated for you. You then want to click Print, and then you'd obviously click Print again to actually print it out. We're going to just close that out at this time. As you can see, once they're printed, they disappear, but you can toggle the Show Printed on if you need to reprint a tag for any reason, and there you can see we have an individual tag. Back to the donation list. So if you have an item that you need to add for a person that's not yet entered, you need to create a supporter, and at minimum you need a first and last name for that supporter. Supporter's been created and it's available to us now. So we can go to donation, we can go to add, we can create our donation name, again a description. Again, you're going to see that recommendation for sentence case. And here you can see we don't understand all abbreviations. So you go ahead and choose that, but it's going to get that wrong, so you'll go ahead and make that correction. So those are just suggestions. You do not have to do them, but for consistency, that's there as a feature to help support that. Again, I'm selecting a category, putting in a fair market value, and now I'm going to search for that supporter I just added. You can see I did last name and then first name to get it down to the specific person I needed. So there I can toggle to add the job, add this item to the print job queue. Thank you so much for joining us.